Honorable all respondents, we are doing the research on the assessment of transport policy to tackle global pandemics for sustainable mobility in ASEAN countries. Lesson learned from COVID-19. Sponsored by ASEAN University Network, Southeast Asia Engineering Education Development Network or AUNCNet, under the Spark Research Program. Conducted by Sirinthorn International Institute of Technology, Thammasat University, in collaboration with Tokyo Institute of Technology, De La Salle University, and Institute of Technology of Cambodia. The objective of this research is to study the related transport policy that can apply during the COVID-19 pandemic. By applying the online questionnaire to ask the related transport sector and using analytic hierarchy process or HP for your perspective to develop in related sector dealing with the outbreak which may occur in the future. We would seek for your help in responding to this online questionnaire. Your response will be kept strictly confidential and used for academic purpose only. All results will be aggregated and presented as summary. Individual respondents will not be identified. Every country around the world is facing the COVID-19 pandemic. We should have efficiency measures in every sector, including the transportation sector, to prevent the COVID-19 pandemic and to cope with the future pandemic that may appear. This research classified the related transport policies into three groups, which are avoid, shift, and improve. Using the HP technique, we do the pairwise comparison on the policy by using the numerical weight, which are 1 mean equally important, 3 means moderately important, 5 means strongly important, 7 means very strongly important, and 9 means extremely important. For example, to achieve the objective of the avoid policy group, which policy is more important? We then compare the policy group 1, controlling and limiting travel, compare with the policy group 2, controlling and limiting activity at place. You will select number 7 on the left if you consider policy group 1 very strongly important than policy group 2 in the objective of the avoid policy group. Next, in part 3, we compare the policy groups in each phase of the pandemic. We assume that the appropriate measure may be different in each phase. So, using the guideline from World Health Organization, we divide the pandemic into 4 phases. Phase A. No evidence of human-to-human transmission. Phase B. Early human-to-human transmission. Phase C. Highly increased number of daily infection cases. Phase D. Decrease the number of infected cases and the situation is under control. For example, which policy is the most important during Phase A? If you consider avoid policy group and shift policy group to be equally important, please select number 1 in the middle. Thank you very much for answering this online questionnaire. If you have questions according to this online questionnaire, please contact us via email spark.aun@gmail.com or Facebook page Spark Transport Policy Research.